How to create unlimited Gmail account names full guide. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you're going to be able to create multiple Gmail names without any phone number or any other hassle. So to do so, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to a new tab, and right here, you're going to add in Google Cloud Skills Boost. Okay, so this is what we're going to be adding. Now, this brings us to this website. So what you're going to do is you're going to basically go ahead and open that up. Now, once you open that up, this will bring you right over here to the Learning Cloud. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on sign in, and you're going to sign in with the account that you want to have multiple usernames for. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my Gmail account, continue and give it any privileges that it asks. Trust me, it's Google's very own software and it's extremely reliable. From here, you're basically going to add in your date of birth. And once we have done that, you're going to go to I'm Not a Robot and accept their terms and services. Now, once you've done that, here it's going to say welcome. Now, once it welcomes you in, you're going to go over to the Explore section. And in the Explore section, you're going to scroll down here where it's going to give you different things to check out and work out with. So in format, what you're going to do is you're going to select lab. All right. Now, once you have selected lab, it's going to give you all these different queries and quick things. So what we're going to do is we're going to go with a tour of Google Cloud Sustainability. So once you've done that, here it's going to say start lab. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on start and you're going to make sure to start it up. Now, once you start it up, what happens from here is it will create you a brand new username, password, and ID that you can use to sign in. And to give you all an example, what you can simply do is go over to any Google sign in. Okay. And let's say we're over here into the Google account sign in section. Now, once we're over here, what we're going to do is we're going to click on add another account. Once you do that, you're going to come here, go with your username that you are going to be adding right over here. And once you've added in your username, what you're going to do from here is add in your password. So I'm going to go ahead, write in my password, click on next. And once we click on next, as you can see, it's going to sign us in and welcome us into our new account. So that is basically how you're going to create multiple email addresses for yourself without any phone numbers. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.